Smart Lock Settings Tutorial. Download and install Tuya Smart in App Store. Turn on Bluetooth, then open the Tuya Smart app. Add device. In factory condition, click Add device and wait a few seconds to discover the device and add it. Add successfully, click Finish. If the administrator password has been set on the door lock, the phone cannot detect the door lock. At this point, it is necessary to operate the door lock. Press the number 0, then press the settings key. Enter the master code and press the settings key. Add the device again, and your phone will discover the door lock. Add user and fingerprint, password, card. Click Member Management. Click Ja in the upper right corner to add members. Add member done. Click on member to add fingerprint. Enter fingerprint. Click OK. Click Add for password. Enter the 6-digit password and click Save in the upper right corner. Password setting complete. Click Card Add. Start Add. Match cards close to the swipe area on the door lock. Added successfully. The first password set is the administrator password. Phone unlock. Press and hold the key button below and drag to the right to unlock. Temporary password. Enter the temporary password option. Click Get Code. Generate a temporary password and share it. The temporary password is valid for 5 minutes. Delete user password. Enter the member management option. Click on the user. Select the password to be deleted. Click on Delete and confirm completion. More setting. Enter more options to set remote unlocking, automatic locking, and door lock volume. Restore factory. Click the upper right button. Click Remove device and then click Disconnect and wipe data to clear. Thanks for watching.